Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you beautiful garden workout ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, you can also decorate your garden with paint, rose paint, flowers, butterfly, ladybugs, or inspiring word or smooth stones. Place them around plants or along the garden bed for a cheerful look. Hanging flower basket or another beautiful decoration. Fill them with colorful flowers that bloom in different seasons. Hanging basket add beauty without taking up much space. And friends, viewers, so my next idea is friends, all wooden shade can become lovely garden shells. Paint or leaves them in their natural color and use them to display small flower pot, candles, or decorative items. And your friends, birdhouse. Friends, are a charming addition to any garden. Paint a small birdhouse in bright color and hang it from a tree. It adds beauty while giving birds a safe place to. So friends, viewers, so my next idea is viewers, friends, garden art and treat a warm and relaxing atmosphere in the evening. With solar power light and a long pathway or hang them from tree branches. There's